you is of the Ferrari. This is probably the 512 Berlinetta Boxer, and it is a 124 scale model by MPC. It's obviously an older model kit, and here it shows you the pictures of the inside and of the actual model kit. Another picture of the model. It's a very nicely finished model. Let's have a look inside here. Here's our body. It's a very nicely molded body, but obviously this is older kit, older molds. You can see here we've got some mold lines and flashing coming off here. Again here as well. Some sanding to do, but otherwise got some good details. Here's our ejector pin, kind of split. Here's our glass. It's going to need a little bit of polishing. And we have our wheels. The chrome looks a little ratty. It's going to need to be first of all sanded. You can see there from the molding. You sand it and then paint it again. We have our 4 tires. They all look about the same. And let's have a look inside here. Let's have a look at all these screws. So first of all here we have our cockpit, we've got our center console, we've got our dashboard here, and we have our seats. This is the rear with the tail lights, and this looks like it's probably the headlights that will pop up. And this is the top of the dashboard. We've got our grille. It's going to need some drilling out here with some cutting. You can see parts that are filled in. Got some flashing here. Here's our steering wheel, turning areas. Through the corners for the wheels to turn. Here's the inside of our doors, and here's our chassis, and that's the engine. It's disappointing. Wheel wells are molded in already. That's really disappointing, but you know, it's an older kit. Here is our steering column. And we have our instructions here. We start off with the front and rear wheels. And that's all then glued onto the chassis with the suspension. Not a lot of detail there. Here's the interior, which is the cockpit. That's then put on. And we have our dashboard. Glass going on, body parts going on, and then additional body parts for the rear, front body parts including lights, and then it's mounted. It looks like this probably was built possibly for batteries. This looks like a battery compartment here. And then decals. So here are our decals, still in good quality, good condition, and it's kind of disappointing model.